Hey everyone, Rob Doherty from the vestguy.com with another deal of the day. So this is a blue and white reflective vest. It's got the larger radio over here. This one's actually designed for, like, I think they were going to put batteries and different stuff in there. It's open in the back there, just like this is open, 8" by 8". Got to place your name tags there, and there's the back. This is a large, adjustable sides again, but if this is something that you're interested in, for a super savings, we're going to have these probably 30 to 50% off the retail prices. All of these deal of the days are one-off. So if this is something that you're interested in, go to facebook.com/thevestguy. Send us a message on there, and we'll get you taken care of from there, and probably either get it out the same day or the next for sure. So thanks a lot. Appreciate you watching these. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the alerts button so you get notified as soon as these deals happen.